Hi guys, this is Juberi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a in-depth tour of Piku Park, a must-visit attraction in the beautiful hill stations of Aircard. In this video, we will take on a complete journey through the park, showing you all the amazing animals, attractions, and experiences it offers. If you're planning to visit, stay tuned till the end as we'll share important details, including ticket price, timings, and the best things to do inside the Piku Park. Piku Park is a family friendly attraction in Aircut, perfect for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts. The entry fee is quite reasonable, 300 for adults and 200 for children. As you enter into the park, you are greeted with a lush green environment, well maintained pathways, and a welcoming ambience. The park is designed to offer interactive experience with various animals, making it a fun and educational trip for both kids and adults. Here, once we enter into the Pico Park, our first stop would be the hen enclosure, which features a fascinating variety of hens from different breeds. They are not only beautiful but also unique in their characteristics. Some of the most popular hen breeds at Pico Park include Cochin Bantam chicken, known for its fluffy feathers and friendly nature. They also have Polish chicken. They are easily recognizable due to their unique feathered crest on their heads. And they have Japanese Bantam, a small but striking breeds with short legs and upright tails. And they also have the Kadaknath, a rare Indian breed famous for its black meat believed to be have some medicinal properties. Apart from that, they also included the Brahma chicken, a large majestic breed with feathered legs and calm demeanor. Separate chicken, a stunning ornamental breed with intricate feather patterns. There are many other more breeds that are available here and make this section of the park exciting for poultry enthusiasts. It's a great opportunity to observe their differences in size, color, and behavior up close.
तना रात को जब रोए मेरे दिल की बातें क्यों न समझे तेरे बिन जिंदगी अधूरी सी लगी भी मेरे साथ चल छोड़ दे हर घड़ी आती तेरी यादें भीगी पल के यादों का खजाना दिल के कोने में एक आरज़ू छुपी तेरे वादे दिखते धुआं धुआं तेरे बिन जीना है एक सजा धड़कनों में तेरी ही सदा हर पल तुझको याद करता हूँ तेरे बिन खो गया सब रास्ता सपनों में भी तेरी झलक दिखे ख्वाबों में भी तू आती है मेरा दिल तो है तुझसे जुदा पर सांस तुझ पे आके रुकती है सन्नाटा ये रात का राग बन गया तेरी कमी को कैसे मैं भूलूं तेरे बिना तो जीना मुश्किल है दिल की रगों में बस तू ही तू है तेरे बिन जीना है एक सजा धड़कनों में तेरी ही सदा हर पल तुझको याद करता हूँ तेरे बिन खो गया सब रास्ता
Once we covered all the hens and chickens there, the next stop would be the bird sanctuary, where you have a lot of varieties of birds of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Let's take a closer look at some of the most vibrant and melodious residents of this paradise. So once you enter into the cage, you find a lot of birds where they allow you to play with them, and they provide some seeds for the birds so you can feed them. But be gentle, guys. These are very delicate animals, but they are so friendly and they easily come to you. So you can witness the birds in this video here. I would say the amount you paid would be worth it because of all these animals, and kids would definitely love this place. So if you're in Aircut, I would definitely say don't miss this place because this is one of the highlights I have enjoyed in the Aircut.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
तेरे बिन जीना है एक सजा, धड़कनों में तेरी ही सदा, हर पल तुझको याद करता हूँ, तेरे बिन खो गया सब रास्ता.
As you notice here, there are volunteers who provides us the greens, and these parrots are so smart that they open the sunflower seeds and then eat it. So it's an amazing place, guys. So if you're visiting Erkard, I would strongly recommend to visit this place and make sure that you have a easily like half a day of your plan to visit here, so that you can visit each and every corner of this park peacefully. And this place is also very relaxing to the body and mind with with the natural sounds of the birds.
Woke up this morning, the sun in my eyes. Left behind the shadows, I'm ready to rise. Every stumble I faced, every tear that I've cried made me stronger inside. Now I'm ready to fly. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Fighting the doubts that try to hold me down. I'm wearing my courage like a crown. Every step that I take, I'm closer to me. Embracing the journey, I'm finally free. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Through the storms and the rain, I've learned to be bold. With a heart full of dreams and a spirit of gold. No more looking back, I'm ready to soar. With the fire inside, I'm ready for more. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Yeah, I'm rising up high, nothing can hold me down. With my head held high, I'm taking the crown. My head held high, I'm taking the crown.
And now be prepared to be amazed the mystic macaws. These large, brilliantly colored parrots are among the most striking birds of Pico Park. The blue and gold macaws with its radiant yellow chest and electric blue wings is a true spectacle as it is soars through the trees. Equally breathtaking is the scarlet macaw, a living rainbow of red, yellow, and blue. With their powerful beaks and playful nature, macaws are not just beautiful but also highly intelligent, forming strong bond with their mates and families. The bulbuls, red vented and white cheeked, add a playful energy to the park. And listen carefully, the tiny yet bold tailor bird, known for its stitching leaves together to make its nest. Sings its distinctive chip chip call. At Pico Park, they also have a small aquariums where you find beautiful fishes. Uh, but there are not a lot of varieties of available here. But yeah, you can witness quite few fishes in these aquariums. They're very beautiful and colorful as well. And other big attractions at Pico Park is the Husky enclosure. These beautiful Siberian Huskies are a treat to watch. Visitors get a chance to interact with these friendly dogs and you can even take a photo with them. The staff ensures that the interaction is safe and it is an exciting moment, especially for kids and dog lovers. Moving ahead, you find ducks and ostrich.
You're 10 me.
One of the most unique attractions in the Pico Park is the ostrich enclosure. These large flightless birds are fascinating to observe up close. Visitors often find their long necks and curious nature amusing. Right next to them, we have the duck pond. The ducks swim gracefully and you can even feed them. The peaceful setting makes the area very relaxing. And the best thing to do and visitors experience is apart from the animal interaction, Pico Park offers a peaceful environment perfect for photography and relaxation. Some key activities to do here includes feeding the animals under supervision, enjoying the picnic with family in the designated areas, taking memorable photos with huskies and ostriches, relaxing in the nature of beauty of Aircard. Moving on, we visit the goat enclosure. These gentle creatures roam around freely and visitors are allowed to pet and feed them. Next up, the adorable rabbits. The rabbit section is a favorite among kids. Watching them hop around and nibble on their food is heartwarming sight. There are a lot of varieties of rabbits here, so you can witness all of them.
Once was a place with marlins and lonely. Way, hey, ho. And I'll seek and I'll search and I know that I'll find it. Way, hey, ho. I know the wind she blows. I know the tides are low. But you'll find me at the white post. You'll find me at the white post.
Before wrapping up, here are some tips for the visitors. First of all, the time when to visit this. The best time would be in the mornings or late afternoons when the weather is pleasant. And second thing is wear comfortable shoes as there is a fair bit of walking involved. Carry some water and snacks if you're coming with kids. They also have the refreshment stalls, but it's good to have on your own. Respect the animals, follow the park rules and avoid disturbing them, and don't miss the husky and ostrich enclosures. These are the highlights. And that brings us to the end of our Piku Park tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure. Until then, take care. Bye bye.